Where's Julian's cup?
The dog was.
Where's Julian's cup? Hey, Crystal, where's where's Julian's cup?
I have no idea. Jessica keeps throwing it.
It's on the counter in the kitchen.
Come here, buddy. I got your cup right here.
Private policeman, and he went down to take
Oh.
a better seat in the.
Ta-da!
Okay, yeah.
Dun, dun, dun.
He just walked right up to the booth and shot him, right? Walked right in it.
Yeah, I know.
Like,
Look here. Look.
Most photographed. Everyone knows the story from history class. John Wilkes
Mommy's got it.
Abraham
Ta-da.
Lincoln Ford's Theater. They jumped down
Take
the
it from her. You
stairs.
won't take it from me.
It was just a massive.
you won't take it from me.
Well, he was trying to get food. He's thirsty. Or he's just, he's a taker like that movie Takers.
He thought that he was going to be a hero.
It's just called takers because they're thieves. They just take whatever they want.
Innocent blood
It's
being
terrible.
removed from the
It's black. It's a black movie.